Alright, hello. This is me in the morning after waking up. I am going to go ahead and take off the rollers, and I'm going to show you how I do that. And I'm going to show you how quickly I do it. So this video, I'm simply going to try to keep the length as the time that it took me to do my hair. So I'm doing opening the top and the bottom, holding the top, letting go of the bottom, and oops, not down, slide it up. And the curl will just fall. And remember, I didn't put any additional products in my hair last night or anything because I want that natural curl, natural hold. I don't need it to be super tight or crunchy or anything like that. So this is what it looks like before combing it. See the difference between the curls with the front. And this side comes out different because I need to cut this to frame my face, and I just haven't. And this side is shorter, so that's why it looks different. I'm just going to go ahead and comb it with this wide tooth comb. And then I'm going to take my little comb and just brush my swoop into place. And I'm just taking that and combing it towards the back as I get towards the end. So I'm just curving my wrist. It's all in the wrist, baby. And then I'm going to take my little comb and just comb down halfway, not all the way, because I don't want to comb my Flexi Rod curls out with this small comb. I want it to still have that large separation, if you will. But that's it. And that's how I get my hair ready for work in the morning. Work or whatever you're gonna do, play, have fun. Regardless, you're gonna be looking flawless.